Alright guys, so welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to do something a little different. Instead of working on machinery, we're going to be working on some trails. And I'm, of course, going to be using the wheel horse. Let's start cleaning up. I don't know if you can hear what I'm hearing or not, y'all. But there's a strange sound coming from the wheel horse. Doesn't sound right. Remember the last time this happened? It was something to do with the points in the gap. I think the points are probably getting smaller and I'm going to have to adjust the gap again, but for now I'm going to keep using it this way because I still got some work to do. Maybe it'll improve or maybe it'll go away, but this issue needs to be addressed soon. That part. Yeah, you can tell something's off. So it seems to be running just fine now. The sound has gone away temporarily. I can't hear it at the moment. Maybe it'll be fine. Alright, so it just got a whole lot worse. It doesn't sound good at all. Okay, so I was able to make it back to the parking area. I'm going to have to switch to the John Deere. The symptoms are, when you put the engine under load, it makes this weird sound. Which, if any of you guys have watched enough of my wheel horse videos, you know it's not supposed to sound like this. If any of you guys know what this could possibly be, please tell me. I want to get this problem fixed. I'm tired of the wheel horse having issues all the time. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm fixing to switch to the John Deere. So, I'm continuing all our work. Uh-oh. Well, that was crazy. I can still smell it. Honestly, I can't believe I caught that on camera. I just now started recording. I was just going to tell you that we were continuing our work on the John Deere, and then that happened. That's crazy. The John Deere sounds completely normal now. Alright, so I'm fixing to bring the wheel horse up to my workplace. I want you guys to hear this. It sounds completely normal. It's running normal again. The blades are spinning at full speed. I don't know what I did. I don't guess I did anything. Time to bring the wheel horse up to the workplace. Alright, so we haven't got much daylight left, so I'm gonna work on this as fast as I can. I won't record too much because I want to work on this as quickly as I can. So what I'm going to do is adjust the gap, set it at a different level, and maybe adjust the fuel if it needs it. You know, just check everything, check the gas, make sure it's not contaminated. It appears to be fine. I will record the starting up part, of course, but I won't record myself working on it. It'll be too long. Alright guys, so this is not good at all. You see this? This came off of that, and that is the connector for this wire, and that wire goes all the way to the points right there. And guess what happens when that ain't connected? That's right, no spark to the spark plug. So something is gonna have to be done. And I guess same thing is gonna happen to the condenser. See, look, that's all rotten. Ugh. Same thing just happened to the condenser. It's not coming off for some reason. Oh no, guys. You see how the thread is turning with the nut? As if things couldn't get any worse. It's stuck on there. This is not good at all. I'm not going to be able to drive this thing back to the barn tonight, and it's going to rain. I may have to push it back just like I did when the helicoil popped out. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, so I've made up my mind. I've decided that the whole wheel horse is going to need a complete rewiring, because I'm afraid of something like this happening again. I don't want anything else to break on it, and since this thing is almost 50 years old, all the wires are so weak on it, anything could break at any given moment. I don't want that to happen. So I think a complete rewiring is going to be needed for this thing. But until then, the wheel horse is going to be sitting for a long time. I don't know when I'm going to get it back up and running, but it's not going to be anytime soon. Y'all stay tuned for the next video when I get this thing running again. It's going to be sitting for a while. It could be a few months before I can get it back up and running again. Just give me some time, y'all. I'm going to get it running again someday. If you guys enjoyed the video, you know what to do. If you're stopping by for the first time and you wish to follow the channel, please subscribe and ring the bell. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Now I have to go push this thing back where it belongs. Just remember guys, it's not the end of the wheel horse. It will run again. I just can't fix it right now. When I can, I will get it running again.